We begin with Oahu's 7-day case average of COVID-19 now remains above 50. So there are talks of moving back to Tier 2. They are being discussed, from vaccine passports also to adding restrictions. Some big announcements are expected this week as the state works to find a balance between an increase in cases and pushing out the vaccine. Nikki Schenfeld with more tonight in our top story.
Oahu has been in Tier 3 for about 5 weeks, and the 7-day case average continues to rise. Under the current system, the case average has to be above 50 for 2 weeks to snap back a tier. Honolulu Mayor Rick Blangiardi has made it clear he does not want to move backwards. He modified the tier system in mid-March to bring more people and industries back online. On Friday, Blangiardi issued a statement saying he was in talks with Governor Ige and the Department of Health about the increase in cases, stating recent events involving large illegal gatherings with no mask wearing and no physical distancing were jeopardizing our current Tier 3 status. A city spokesman said discussions with state health officials continued over the holiday weekend.
There has to be a little bit more personal responsibility from people in their 20s, that have been going to big events. That is causing spread without a doubt. I advise the mayor to consider using a scalpel rather than perhaps the hammer that's been recommended. And a scalpel would mean, yes, checking bars and restaurants carefully, making sure you have some additional enforcement where there have been large gatherings.
Green says Oahu's case numbers and positivity rate remain relatively low, and risk of hospitalizations is small due to the state's vaccine rollout.
People's lives have to go on, and there's nothing to prevent us from behaving, just as individuals, safely, as though we're in Tier 2, without doing something that will really damage the fabric of our economy.
Another economic boost Green has been pushing for is allowing vaccinated travelers to bypass a quarantine and pre-test. In late January, he sent a letter to State Adjutant General Kenneth Hara for Governor Ige's approval. Green asked for a group to work on the program while awaiting guidance from the CDC. It's unknown if Ige will go with the CDC recommendation to allow vaccinated travelers to bypass pre-testing and quarantine requirements.
If I may, some people in our administration have said that they're worried about falsification of data. I thought about that this weekend, had a lot of time to think. I think that is not correct. We've already had 2.2 million people come in with the Safe Travels program. It would be easier to falsify a lab test because the vaccination card has very specific information. It has the batch numbers of the vaccine you got.
Maui Mayor Michael Victorino is also waiting on the governor to decide if he'll approve his request requiring all travelers flying into Maui to take a rapid test to help stop the increase in cases on the Valley Isle. Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.